Polyvinyl acetate emulsion, commonly known as PVA emulsion or plaque emulsion, is a water-based synthetic polymer widely recognized for its excellent adhesive strength, flexibility, and film-forming properties. As one of the most versatile emulsion polymers available, it is extensively used across woodworking, construction, paper, packaging, textiles, paints, and coatings industries. Its ability to create durable, transparent, and flexible bonds makes it a preferred choice for manufacturers seeking reliable performance and ease of application. In the woodworking and furniture industry, polyvinyl acetate emulsion is the primary ingredient in many wood glues, providing strong adhesion for furniture assembly, plywood, laminates, and carpentry projects. In construction, it is incorporated into cementitious mixtures, tile adhesives, wall putties, and repair mortars to improve bonding strength, flexibility, crack resistance, and overall durability. The paper and packaging industry uses PVA emulsion for carton sealing, paper lamination, bookbinding, labeling, and envelope production, ensuring secure and long-lasting adhesion. It is also widely used in textile finishing, where it enhances fabric stiffness, improves coating performance, and supports specialty treatments. In the paints and coatings sector, polyvinyl acetate emulsion acts as an effective binder that improves film formation, adhesion, durability, and finish quality for interior paints, decorative coatings, and specialty formulations. Its low odor, water-based composition, ease of handling, and environmentally friendly characteristics make it a safer alternative to many solvent-based adhesives. With excellent compatibility, quick drying properties, and dependable performance across a wide range of applications, polyvinyl acetate emulsion continues to be an essential polymer that helps manufacturers produce stronger, more durable, and higher quality products in industries around the world.